Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you to Once Upon a Picture. It is a really useful writing tool. So you go into this page here. Now you get a selection of pictures here, but what's more useful is going to the collections. You've got fiction, inference, non-fiction, prediction. These are all amazing resources that we can use for our writing. For example, if I go to the fiction collection, we have a variety of images, but also some questions there that they can start writing answers to, or just even think about. Non-fiction, some very interesting images, and they can do some really nice writing off of them. If they just want complete random pictures, they can do that, but if they would like more structured writing, these questions can be really useful.